Hi guys, it's Chucks again. I'm just slowly building my CR10 oven. So I'm just going to make this into an oven. I'm going to put some sides on it and then put a door on the front. And then because that'll help with the bed and with the hot end. And I'll probably end up replacing this tube here, the Bowden tube, to get a higher temperature I can use. And I've only used a 1-inch drill bit to drill through there, and that's all you need. 1 inch will get all your cables through. And that's, I'm going to update this firmware on that, and then I'm going to put the other Z-axis, attach that on, and also I've got to make up a piece for the outer filament. Other than that, this thing should be going in the next couple of days. It's cooled down here now, so it's good to work on the equipment. And yeah, so any good ideas or any type of thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And yeah, subscribe if you can. And thank you for everyone for subscribing so far. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.